Hello and welcome to Command Block Tutorial 1. Today I'll be showing you how to spawn yourself in a command block to run some basic commands, and we will also be looking at the basic teleportation command and perhaps also the spawn point command. We'll see. Alright, so first off, what you want to do is when you create a world, you want to allow cheats to be enabled on, and you want it to be a creative mode world, and you don't need to it doesn't need to be a flat world like this, any world you like. Anyway, with cheats enabled, you'll be able to, just ignore all that right there. You'll be able to give yourself a command block, and to do that, you type /give your username, which is, or you can do @p. See why that works soon. And then you type 137. Now what this command did is it was a give command, and @p is just for me, and 137 is the command block. This is the only way to attain the command blocks. Now, let me just get rid of X, I already have one. I'm going to spell out the basic command blocks down like this, and I'm going to show you how to use the teleportation functions with this. Alright, so you hold shift to place a button on. Now I'm going to do the teleportation function. So, enter command, all you have to do is select teleportation. All you have to do is type /tp, and then, now, wait, where are we going to teleport to? Oh, no, need some blocks. Alright, let's, alright, so make this point 1, and we'll put point B perhaps over here. Alright, so you know how the teleportation command works. You can type /tp your user name to another username. There shouldn't be any spaces there. So now basically that would teleport you from player 1 to player 2. That's how it used to work for the most part. However, there are new ways of doing it. So now, as you can see down here, there are reference sheets around here. So what this is @p. So if I type @p, what this will do is it'll teleport the person who's closest to the command block, and it'll teleport them to wherever you specified. So if you do @player, I don't know what that does. Teleports the nearest player to the nearest player, which is a stuff that wouldn't work. And then there's @r, which is a random player. It's just if this you're on a server, and there's more than one player on, it'll pick a player at random and teleport that person. So you could do @r to @p, and it'll teleport a random player to you. And then there's @a, which just targets every single player on the map. You may not want to do this though, because @p is most commonly used. And now another way that you can do teleportation is using coordinates. So there's the x coordinate, the y coordinate, and the z coordinate, in that order all the time. So x could be like 10, that would be 10 blocks away, and the y would be, I don't know, 64. Don't ever set y to 0 though, because 0 is the bottom of the map, and if you do that, you'll probably teleport through the world. So we'll just have 64 for now, and z would be something like, I don't know, it's over 9,000. I don't know, but what we want to do is we want to teleport the player from this spot to this spot. And to do that, we need to get the x, y, and z coordinates of this spot. So function F3, or if you're on a Windows machine, F3 will probably just work by itself just fine. And over here in these corners, you can see the coordinates. So x is about 280, y is 56, and z is 451. You may want to get a piece of paper, just an open paper or something, to scratch this down and write down these coordinates. Alright, so that's 280, 56, 451. I'm going to judge my memory here. So let's see. 451, oops, that's the z coordinate. Oh, actually, one more thing that I should mention is that you should round the numbers, you need to round the numbers down to the nearest whole number. if you're a math person, you should know exactly what that means, but if not, then you know that 7 would be rounded up, so this would be 2. If it's greater than 5, it's 2. Less than 5, it just stays at 1. Okay, so this would actually be 2. And then 56 is our y, and I forgot what the x was. This is why you write it down. Thankfully, this is just a short distance away, so I can just come here. Oh, 280. Okay, and then just run back and enter it in. But you will want to write it down if it's like really far away, to save you from running from back and forth. Alright, so now you've entered the command teleport at player to those coordinates, and to test it, all you do is push the button. And I missed. Alright. Well, no biggie. Let's just try and fix that. Sometimes it can be a little off on the first time. Let's try it again. And there we go. I land poof firmly on the red square. There we go. And these coordinates right here, it could be anywhere. So basically, anywhere on the map, if it's 1,000 blocks away or 10,000 blocks away, you can set up a command and have it teleport to absolutely any location in the Infinite Minecraft world. Alright? And that has been the basic, and that is the basic of teleporting. So I'll see you next time, and we'll look at the spawn point command, which if you looked into my text chat here, you may have noticed I actually tested out a little bit. Alright? See you then.